Check out this sneak peek of the motorcyclist going off on the older man, and stick around to see how it all ends. We have some insane footage of a motorcyclist speeding on his Ducati. He was going way too fast and almost collided with a car that was turning left. It was a close call for sure. We have another close call. The motorcyclist followed the rules, but the truck driver was not able to see him due to his blind spot. This highlights the importance of being aware of your own blind spots as well as those of other drivers. Remember to stay focused and prepared for anything when driving. In this video we have another close call, but this time it's not with another vehicle. So, this rider was cruising down, enjoying the scenery, when suddenly a turkey darted out in front of him. The rider's quick reflexes and attentiveness saved the day, as he was able to swerve and avoid a potentially dangerous collision. Now, let's talk about the lessons we can learn from this close call. It's important to always stay focused when you're riding. Distractions can be deadly, so keep your eyes and your mind on the task at hand. In this clip we have a rider cruising on the highway. The motorcyclist is riding on the left lane, preparing to exit at a later point. But all of a sudden, a truck appears on the left lane, blocking the motorcyclist's path. As you can see, the truck driver didn't see the motorcyclist and made a sudden lane change, cutting off the motorcyclist's path. This incident serves as a reminder of the importance of defensive driving. Distracted driving is a dangerous behavior that puts not only the distracted driver at risk, but also every other road user. It's responsible for thousands of deaths and injuries every year. This driver is using the middle lane to turn left instead of the left turn lane. This is dangerous and can cause accidents. And if you miss it, turn around safely at the next opportunity. A car can be seen approaching a junction with a yield line, indicating that the car should give way to other traffic.
Hvad fanden laver du? Det er altid jer, der gør det. Prøv lige at rulle vinduet ned. I kommer altid dernede fra. I kører bare ud. Du har fuld vigepligt, mand. Jeg har dig på kamera. Du ryger på YouTube.
Road signs and road markings are designed to help drivers navigate the road safely and efficiently. As you can see in this footage, a motorcyclist is riding on a single lane when a car attempts to overtake him on the same lane. This is a very dangerous situation, as it puts the rider's life in danger. If we take a closer look at the footage, you can see the car approaching from behind in the mirror of the motorcyclist. It's clear that the driver of the car didn't take into account the safety of the motorcyclist and attempted to overtake without sufficient space. First and foremost, it's important to always be aware of your surroundings. As a driver, you should always give yourself plenty of space when overtaking another vehicle, especially a motorcycle. And as a motorcyclist, you should always assume that other drivers may not see you, and take extra precautions to ensure your safety. We're going to talk about an incident where a motorcyclist was hit by a Mustang. As you can see in the clip, the motorcyclist was waiting at the red light, and suddenly, a Mustang hit him from behind. This highlights the importance of maintaining a safe distance from other vehicles, especially when you're driving a powerful vehicle like a Mustang.
Pull over there. Dude.
I know, I looked down, it was my fault.
Well, you need to look up and pay attention, you know?
I'm so sorry.
Damn, man.
If you need to discuss the accident, do it in a calm and respectful manner. Although I understand that the motorcyclist was angry, listen to the other person's perspective and try to find a solution together. This incident highlights the dangers of lane splitting, which is a common practice among motorcyclists in many countries. Lane splitting is the act of riding a motorcycle between two lanes of traffic, usually to avoid traffic congestion. While it may seem like a good idea at first, it can be extremely dangerous if not done properly. The main reason why lane splitting is dangerous is because it puts motorcyclists in very close proximity to other vehicles on the road.
Sir, are you okay? Do you know where you are?
Are you okay, man?
Huh?
Should we call? Do you want us to call someone?
Yeah. 911, please. Yeah. Holy.
Okay.
As a motorcyclist, it's inevitable that at some point, you'll get pulled over by a police officer. And for many riders, that can be a nerve-wracking experience. This encounter highlights an important point: police officers are there to serve and protect us. So, whether you're a seasoned rider or a beginner, remember that getting pulled over is just part of the experience. And as long as we approach it with respect and a positive attitude, we can make it a stress-free interaction.
Let's see what this guy wants. How's it going?
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Your plate
Yes, sir.
bent way up underneath.
Can I get off?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, that's when I hit my head on it. I was changing out the tires, and I meant to fix it, but
Yeah, you gotta,
yeah, I didn't mean to. I got tools at home, and I'll bend it back down. I'm sorry about that.
alright, you got a driver's license?
Yeah, yeah, of course.
Actually, I reversed the insurance. Alright, man. Just get it taken care of.
All right, yes, sir. I appreciate you. You have a good one. Nice, guys. First time getting pulled over, and it's all about that. This guy, he's cooler than I thought he'd be. Oh, let's see if I can get out of this fucking turn.